This lesson is about a couple of things. It's about palm muting with the right hand so that you can control the bass strings while playing the main riff of Island in the Sun, and also using your left hand muting to control the fourth string and keep it from resonating when you're playing that main riff, so you get that nice clean isolation on the top three strings. Was it about some other things too? Oh, it's about this rotational motion of your hand. Upstrokes rotate a little bit toward the thumb side. Downstrokes rotate a little bit toward the pinky side, so that you give in to the strings. Broop, 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 biddly-oop, biddly-oop, biddly-oop. But we're doing that very small in some cases because we're actually pivoting on the wrist, and you'll see in the video. Whoop, whoop. I'm hoping that's helpful to you all, and put any questions in the comments. Okay, check it out. I'm resting the base of my palm here on the lowest three strings, and which you can see in the upper left or the upper right camera. And then when I do an up down, I actually come off and then come back down, but I'm coming down and I'm landing that heel of my palm right back on the bass string. So if you wanted to make an exercise out of that, which I highly recommend, I'm just rotating my hand, I'm pronating it a little bit, and then I'm supinating it back on the down strum. Pronate, supinate. That way the pick can get more smoothly across. Let me get that light on the pick there. More smoothly across on the way down and more smoothly across on the way up. Like so. Let's exaggerate it. And the other thing that I'm doing with my left hand on all of these chords is I have some finger. So if I start on this E minor chord, I'm actually touching my index finger and to some degree my second finger to the D string so that it's muted a little bit. And then when I go to the A minor, I'm touching to the D string. And when I go to the D, I'm actually touching to the D string with my index finger. And then back to the G, kind of like I did with the E minor, touching with both the first and second fingers. So it's a little kind of control freak muting, left hand and right hand. So upstrokes rotate a little bit toward the thumb side. Downstrokes rotate a little bit toward the pinky side. Thanks to Troy Grady for the wonderful magnet. There you can see it. Up, down. And there you go. Hopefully that's some helpful advice about how to get that strumming a little bit smoother. Try that on for size. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe, ring the bell, do all that stuff. Thank you. Got to get all of that. Now I have to look at 3 different things at the same time. What?